This installation guide works for the following N-FAB step systems, including Nerf-Steps, Adjuststeps, N-Durasteps, RKR-Rails, and Podium applications. The N-FAB Nerf-Steps ship with driver and passenger sidebars along with all the hardware needed to attach them to your vehicle. The solid one-piece design provides strength and mounts high and tight for a better fit and cleaner look. Before getting started, make sure to read the included directions, verify all hardware, and remove the factory running boards if you have them installed. Use a screwdriver to remove the plastic body plug. Install the supplied clip into the underbody. Carefully lift the Nerf-Step into position, making sure each entry step is towards the front half of each door opening. Align the mounting holes with the tabs on each bracket. Install the upper bolt with washer into the threads at the top of each bracket. Leave hand tight for now. Install the pinch weld bolt with washers. Leave hand tight for now. Repeat for each bracket location. With the bars hand tight, ensure that the bars are properly positioned. Then tighten the nuts and bolts at the pinch weld using two 13mm wrenches. Repeat for each bracket location. Then use a 13mm socket and wrench to tighten the bolts in the underbody at each bracket location. Do not over-tighten the bolts and do not use power tools. Repeat the process on the opposite side. The installation is now complete. If you have any questions or would like more info, please go to n-fab.com.